What is a doji? It is a pattern found on the candlestick chart that looks like a plus sign. That's because its closing price is almost same as the open price. The body is extremely slim. There are 4 common shapes of doji you can easily find on the candlestick chart. Natural doji, that looks like a simple plus sign. Long-legged doji, that has longer wicks or shadows. Gravestone doji, that has longer wick or shadow on the top of the body. And Dragonfly Doji, that has a longer wick or shadow below the body. A doji in the chart indicates indecision or tight clash between the bull and the bear. The natural and the long-legged doji indicates neither the buyer nor the sellers won against the other. The gravestone is a bearish pattern that indicates strong selling force that pushed the price down to where it opened. Opposite the gravestone is the Dragonfly Doji, that is a bullish pattern. It indicates strong buying force that pushed the price up to where it opened. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.